Could the humble moringa leaf hold the key to a healthier gut and more? This so-called miracle tree has sparked a frenzy in health circles. But does science back up the hype? Let's unravel the facts behind its rising fame and why your digestion might just thank you for it. But here's where it gets controversial. While many tout moringa as a cure-all, experts like gastroenterologist Dr. Paul Manicum urge caution, emphasizing that its benefits are nuanced, not magical. So, is it a superfood or a marketing marvel? Let's dive in. The gut healing power of moringa. If you've ever battled heartburn or constipation, moringa might be your new best friend. Dr. Paul explains that these leaves can neutralize excess stomach acid, offering relief to those with acid reflux or GERD. Imagine this. After a heavy meal, your stomach acid starts to rebel, but moringa steps in like a bouncer, keeping things in check. And it doesn't stop there. The leaves' anti-inflammatory compounds, think of them as tiny repair crews, can mend a leaky gut lining, which is especially crucial if stress or infections have left your digestive system in disarray. Why Digestion loves moringa? Moringa isn't just about soothing symptoms. It's about tackling the root cause. Compounds like glucosinolates in the leaves act like catalysts, boosting digestive enzyme production. This means faster food breakdown and fewer bloating episodes. But here's the twist. While some swear by moringa as a laxative, Dr. Powell clarifies that its effects are mild, more of a gentle nudge than a full-blown purge. Perfect for those struggling with occasional constipation, but not a substitute for fiber-rich diets. Blood sugar regulation, a game-changer for diabetics. Medical News Today highlights a fascinating angle. Moringa extracts may help stabilize blood sugar levels. Early studies suggest it improves insulin sensitivity, which could reduce diabetes-related complications. Picture this. Your body's cells finally respond to insulin like they should, thanks to moringa's plant compounds. But hold your horses. While promising, these findings are preliminary. As Dr. Powell stresses, it's not a replacement for medication, but a potential ally in managing the condition. Cancer prevention, miracle or misinterpretation? Moringa's cancer-fighting potential is where opinions diverge. The leaves contain niacinamide, a compound that lab studies say hinders cancer cell growth. Exciting, right? But here's the catch. Most research is on isolated cells or animals. Human trials are scarce, and experts caution against overhyping these results. That said, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are no joke. Could they shield your gut from colon cancer risks? Possibly. But is moringa a miracle cure? That's the $10 million question, and one worth debating. How to incorporate moringa into your life? Ready to give it a try? Moringa is as versatile as kale. Add raw leaves to salads, blend them into smoothies, or stir-fry them with spices. For a quick fix, brew a tea or sprinkle the powder into yogurt. Capsules offer convenience, but remember, moderation is key. Overdoing it might lead to stomach upset. A reminder that even superfoods have limits. Final thoughts. The moringa debate. Moringa's rise to fame is a testament to nature's potential, but it's not a magic pill. While its benefits are backed by science, they're not universal. And this is the part most people miss. Individual responses vary. What works for one person might not for another. So should you jump on the moringa bandwagon? It depends. Are you willing to experiment while keeping your doctor in the loop? Or do you prefer sticking to time-tested solutions? Share your thoughts below, because the real value of moringa might just lie in the conversations it sparks.